Most students dream about studying in Europe, but they make one mistake that quietly ruins their chances before they even begin. They chase the most popular countries and completely ignore one of the most powerful, affordable, and life-changing options available: Spain. Now imagine this. Jason Reed, a 23-year-old student from California, wanted to study abroad. Like everyone else, he looked at the UK, Germany, and France. Expensive tuition. Complicated visa rules. High living costs. It all started to feel overwhelming. He almost gave up. Until one late night, he stumbled across something unexpected. Spain. At first he didn't take it seriously. Isn't Spain just for vacations? He thought. But what he discovered next completely changed his perspective. Affordable universities. Globally recognized degrees. A relaxed but productive lifestyle. And a growing number of English-taught programs. Within months, he made the decision. And that single decision changed his entire future. But here's the problem. Most students don't know how to navigate the system. They get confused about universities, visa, processes, costs, and end up making mistakes that cost them time and money. So in this guide you're going to learn everything about studying in Spain in 2026. Step by step. No confusion. No outdated advice. Just a clear roadmap that actually works. Because by the end of this, you won't just understand Spain. You'll know how to use it as a strategy. Let's start with something most people get wrong. They think studying in Spain is expensive. But here's the surprising truth. Public universities in Spain are among the most affordable in Europe. In many cases, tuition ranges from 1,000 to 3,500 euros per year. Let that sink in. That's less than what many students pay for a single semester elsewhere. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all universities are the same. And choosing the right one, that's everything. So let's break it down. Spain has two main types of universities: public and private. Public universities are cheaper. Private universities are more expensive, but often offer more English-taught programs. And this is where many students get confused. They choose based on language instead of long-term goals. And that can backfire. Now let's talk about top universities. Because this is where your journey begins. Spain has several globally respected institutions. Universities in cities like Barcelona, Madrid, and Valencia offer strong programs in business, engineering, arts, and more. But here's the twist. Your choice should depend on your career path, not just rankings. Let me explain. Meet Emily Carter, Tectans. She chose a popular university in Madrid, but in a field she wasn't passionate about. She struggled, lost motivation, and almost dropped out. Now compare that to Ryan Scott. He chose a university in Valencia. Less famous, but perfect for his field. Today, he's thriving. Same country. Different decisions. Different outcomes. This is why your choice matters. Now, let's move to something critical. The application process. Because this is where most students get stuck. Step 1. Choose your program and university. Research carefully. Check language requirements. Understand entry criteria. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Academic transcripts. Passport.e. Proof of language proficiency. Motivation letter. And here's the key insight. Your application tells your story. Make it strong. Make it clear. Step 3. Apply directly through the university. Each university has its own process. So follow instructions carefully. Now here's where it gets emotional. Waiting. Uncertainty. Checking emails again and again. But here's the truth. If you've prepared well, your chances are strong. Now let's talk about the visa. Because this is where everything becomes real. To study in Spain you need a student visa. And here's how it works. First, you must have an acceptance letter from a Spanish university. Second, you need proof of financial means. Spain wants to know you can support yourself. Third, you need health insurance, valid for your stay. Fourth, you may need a medical certificate and police clearance. And here's where it gets dangerous. Missing even one document can delay your visa or lead to rejection. So attention to detail is critical. Now let's talk about cost of living, because this is where expectations break. Spain is more affordable than many Western European countries, but costs vary by city. Madrid and Barcelona are more expensive. Valencia and Granada are cheaper. And this is where smart planning comes in, because your location affects your budget. Now, here's something most students care about. Can you work while studying? Yes. International students can work part-time. But here's the truth. It won't cover all your expenses. So don't rely on it completely. Now, let's address something most people overlook. Language, tote. Many programs are in Spanish. Some in English. But here's the surprising truth. Learning basic Spanish can change your entire experience. Better communication. Better job opportunities. Better integration. And that matters more than you think. Now, let's talk about life in Spain. Because this is where things get exciting. Culture, food, weather, lifestyle. Spain offers a balance that many countries don't. Work-life balance. Relaxed environment. Social connections. But here's the problem. Some students lose focus. They get distracted and forget why they came. This is where discipline matters. Because your environment can either help you or hold you back. Now let's go back to Jason. He arrived in Spain. Excited. Nervous. Unsure. But ready. He faced challenges. Language barriers. Cultural differences. Homesickness. But he adapted. Learned. Grew. And today, he's building a career in Europe. That's the real outcome. Now let's zoom out. Is Spain worth it? Let's break it down. Affordable education. High quality of life. Global exposure. Career opportunities. When you combine all of this, Spain becomes one of the smartest choices you can make. But here's the final insight. Your success doesn't depend on Spain alone. It depends on how you use the opportunity. Because two students can study in the same country and have completely different outcomes. The difference? Action. Focus. Clarity. So now imagine this. You're walking through a university campus in Spain. New country. New life. New opportunities. You're not just dreaming anymore. You're living it. And it all started with one decision. Most people will watch this, feel inspired, and do nothing. But you're different. You're thinking ahead, planning your future. And that changes everything. So take the next step. Research your options. Prepare your application. Start your journey. Because your future isn't waiting. It's being built by the choices you make today. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe. Because the next video might be the exact roadmap you need to turn this dream into reality. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.